Alright, it's just going to video here for a second. MOVA A10, I put it in, I have a little pull shelf and it went down the stairs and it kind of got stuck on the stairs, and it was on the stair for about 20 seconds, then it kind of fell over on its side, and I am just curious. You can see the wheels rotating. It's working. Oh, I just wanted to see if it would eventually flip itself over and start working again, and I think it is. This is so cool. Okay, either that or it's going to try to clean upside down. It may be trying to clean upside down. Oh, nope, it's flipping itself over. Oh, it is flipping. Oh, no, it stopped. All right, now it's doing a little Michael Jackson moonwalk backwards. All right, it's getting its feet settled. This is the first time I've put it on the shelf and let it just kind of flop down on its own. All right, and there it goes. It is going to start its path. Well done, MOVA A10.